F6260 by Rivulis, the new standard in plastic screen filtration. At Rivulis, innovation never stands still, and neither do we. Driven by the evolving needs of the market and our customers, we proudly introduce the F6260. Its premium build quality and highly versatile design provide unmatched flexibility, adapting seamlessly to any installation requirement. Featuring Rivulis Rev screen technology, available in 100, 130, and 200 micron. The F6260 supports flow capacities from 15 to 80 cubic meters per hour, with filtration surfaces ranging from 800 to 2,400 square centimeters. Manufactured with a plastic body to avoid corrosion risk and equipped with self-cleaning mechanism, the F6260 combines strength and intelligence in a compact, robust design. Operating efficiently from just 1.5 bar and handling up to a nominal working pressure of 10 bar. The F6260 is built to perform under demanding conditions, while minimizing energy consumption and reducing cleaning water usage. The filtration process is engineered with precision. Incoming water first passes through a pre-filter, capturing coarse particles. It then flows into the main chamber, where particles larger than the selected micron level are retained. When the present differential pressure reaches the threshold, the system automatically initiates self-cleaning. The flushing valve opens, and powerful suction through precision scanner nozzles removes trapped particles from the screen quickly and efficiently. Once cleaning is complete, the system restores itself automatically, returning to optimal filtration performance without interruption. But the F6260 doesn't just filter water, it thinks. Introducing the Rivulis Filter S Controller for remote setup and control. With advanced programming, real-time control, and process monitoring accessible via Bluetooth, Rivulis Filter S Controller puts total system visibility in your hands. Integrated with the Rivulis Filter mobile app, it provides complete historical data, performance graphs, and intelligent insights, anytime, anywhere. The F6260 by Rivulis. Intelligent design, efficient performance, unmatched reliability. The new standard in water filtration.